Hello, crafty lovelies. I'm Lainey. Let's start crafting and make it till our eyes smile. That's what I like to say. I do hope you subscribe and click that bell. Don't forget, hit all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Today's video is part of What Would You Make collab. You can find the links to the host and the playlist in my description box. Now let's get started. I was thinking what to make for you today. And you know what? I seen this in my backyard, a bunch of spare plywood and 2x4s. And I thought, what can I do with this plywood? So let's see what I make. So I gathered some molding that we had around the house, and my handsome devil, my husband, he assisted me and helped me with cutting all the wood pieces that I needed. He got that board that was just laying around in my back, that plywood board, and he cut it for me, measured it and cut it, and then he did the same thing to the molding so I could make a frame around it. And all he did was he used his nail gun, the Ryobi nail gun, and he just put nails in there and held it on to my plywood. See it? I mean, I'm all over the place. I'm sorry, guys. But yes, he nailed it in there, and then we're going to spackle it just with some Dollar Tree spackle stuff and fill in like the lines and the little nail holes. And it ended up turning out really nice once we were done. He also put some caulking all around the sides where they met, and we're going to let that dry. And then after it dries, we sand it all down. But see how we smooth that out so there's no lines. And also we can, have it really just straight flushed and it doesn't look like we put two pieces together. Now these are from the Dollar Tree and everybody sees these. They're those garden plastic little borders. Well, we ended up cutting just the bottom part of those, and we also cut off the little hinges on the sides. I would leave all the measurements that my husband did when he made that picture frame and the board for you in my description box. So after the spackles sat for a while, we just sanded all the corners and the sides down and made sure that little lattice fit inside what we were going to do. I got this Rust-Oleum chalk paint in black, and I just painted the whole entire board and frame. So we're going to go inside and we're going to get these little lattices, and it's time to paint them. I'm going to be using Hello Hobby chalk paint in the color Desert Sand today. And I'm going to paint this little lattice, and I do it about 2 coats. Make sure, it's really important when you're doing, 1, 2 coats, make sure you let them fully dry in between, just so no more paint lifts, because every time you do this and you keep doing it, paint sometimes lifts and we want it to stick. So 2 coats was on there and it covered it perfectly. Now I'm going to be using Folk Arts. It's a white, the color's white, but it's also just acrylic paint with a sealant, and it's 2-in-1. I love using that, and all I did was the same process, and I just kind of dabbed it here and there just all over the place. And then I took some of that brown wax from Folk Art, and I also used a little bit of plaid gold, and I mixed them together, and then I just dabbed it all over. Once that was on and dried, I got some more of that little bit of white sealant paint, and I just dabbed it over just so it softens that gold a little. I used the mineral chalk paint, and I just put little specks just to make it look like, it was kind of withered, shabby chic look was what I was going for. You let me know if you think I accomplished it. Does it look metal? I didn't want it to look plastic anymore, and I thought I did a pretty good job. So after that was dry, I got these little stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm only going to use 10 of them. So I cut them out, and I got my mineral and just painted the whole entire thing. And then I'm just going to glue each little dot every other. See the little swirls? I'm just going to put them right there. I want it to kind of look like they have metal screws or metal studs in them holding them in place. I thought I did a pretty good job. I know, my eyes were smiling, just put it that way, when I was done with these lattices. Very, very happy and pleased with them. Now these wood pieces I got from the Dollar Tree also, and I thought these were perfect little wood plaques that I can paint and fix. And when I was going to do this project, I thought, these would be perfect to use for what I'm doing. So I'm going to use this paint. I got this from the Dollar Tree also, and it's called Deep Brown. And I got Crimson Red also from the Dollar Tree. So I did one of them with the brown and two of them with the Crimson Red. And then I went over it and dry brushed it with the Desert Tan. And I think they came out so gorgeous. So Comfy, I hope I'm saying that right. Comfy. I hope I'm saying that right. But they gifted me these, see, comfy feet. Comfy. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. Go to that website and look if you love these, I don't know, these Shabby Chic hooks. I fell totally in love with these. Gorgeous. Made my heart sing. Made my eyes smile just looking at them. I was like, these are gorgeous, aren't they? And they're nice and sturdy and heavy. And they come with their own little packets each to screw them onto something on the wall, or you can do it on a plaque, whatever you want to do with them. But oh my goodness, stunning. They also come in a really beautiful Shabby Chic blue. I'll leave their link in my description box for you also. Okay, so I decided to put these hooks on these plaques that we painted. And oh my goodness, perfect, right? So Handsome Devil again assisting me. So we're going to put them onto the plaques, but first we're going to add the wood plaques to the picture frame. So we used the nail gun to put them inside to, I didn't have to glue them. I want them sturdy. So he used his, like I said, his nail gun. And it worked perfectly because we were able to hide the little nail holes with the hooks. And then we just put in the little screws inside them to go onto the plaques. And that was perfect. Now these I got from Totally Dazzled. Oh, I absolutely love their bling. Gorgeous, especially if you love Shabby Chic or using even bling, or I don't know. It's just, their stuff is just absolutely stunning and gorgeous. And yep, that's all I can say is they're absolutely beautiful. So I decided to glue them in the center of each hook with little Dollar Tree paper flowers. They're the little sticker roses. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And I just thought it made it look more shabby. So to add the lattice, all I did was put some glue on each point where it touches the inside of the frame. So I just glued it all the way down and it stayed really nice. I mean, it glued nice. And then I got some of this floral. They're like roses because I want it to match my bedroom. Totally up to you. You don't have to add them, or you can add different roses, flowers. It is to whatever you want to make. You didn't even have to do it black. You could have did it with a really pretty brown underneath or all white. I just hope that I was able to inspire you to create something with just things around your house. And this, like I said, started out with a piece of plywood that has been in my backyard for a while, okay? So, I don't know. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. I can't wait to hang it up on my wall. I added little picture hooks in the back so I can hang it. I just love the way that background, the texture just pops, and it's just so my style. I don't know. I have funny taste, okay? But you could use even something so much as a flat where it's a nice, good, smooth surface, or you could use a poster board. Sorry if you hear some snoring. My handsome devil, my husband, is asleep and I cannot drown him out, okay? But there's the comedy in this video right there. But doesn't it look beautiful? Oh my gosh. Well, I thank you, Crafty Lovelies, for visiting me today. I hope you enjoyed what I made. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for your kindness. It was my pleasure crafting with you, Crafty Lovelies, today. I hope you subscribe if you have not done so, and click that bell. Hit all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Visit me at my social media, Instagram and Facebook. Hugs, kisses, and fairy dust wishes, Crafty Lovelies. Stay kind, be kind yourself and others. Stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video.